Uwi na.
That's a
Going
wrap for
home.
this video.
Maybe after 5 years again. Bye, Mickey. Bye, Mickey.
Mickey or Mickey?
Mickey.
We are here in Champs-Élysées. Hindi kami shopping walk-walk lang kami dito. Tapos magpipicture kami sa Arc de Triomphe.
Doon na kami magpipicturean. Ready na ba kayo tumawid, girls?
Yeah. Yun lang ang goal namin ngayon, mag-picture lang. And last walking kasi nakakota kami ng picture yesterday.
Strike a pose in the middle of the street.
Oo, mga social climber lang naman.
Tapos na kami sa medyo buwis sa buhay na picture taking in the middle of the road. Ayan. So babalik na kami para mag-ikot for some other places.
Wala pala tayong photo ng Champions.
So, Lamborghini.
Woo! Woo! It's for rent, kuya. If you want to rent it, I don't know how much is it. Do you want to rent it?
Yeah. Like for sure.
So ngayon, andito kami sa Restaurant in Gabriel in Emily in Paris. So ayan. But it's sarado. So andito kami.
For the gram
For
picture.
the gram lang naman.
Siyempre. For the gram. Yeah, this is it. That's the restaurant.
So ngayon pupunta naman kami sa apartment ni Emily if she's there. Baka nandun siya. Charot. Yan. Ito yung apartment niya. That one. Yan. Si daddy kunyari alam niya. Pero hindi siya nanonood. Hindi ba siya nanonood nun? Nag-doorbell tayo kay Emily. Emily! Emily! Gosh, you. Open the door. Emily. 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 Emily was coming.
Doon na kami sa Notre Dame. Picture lang kami saglit, then aalis din kami sabay. Kasi sobrang daming tao at mainit.
Okay, so now, yan, magre-remake ng picture si Kuya. Yan.
Put your head up a little kasi yan.
Okay. 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 No.
This Okay, so now we are in the Louvre. Museo de Louvre. We can't see. Si Kuya kasi gusto niya to go inside, kaya lang we're not prepared. Wala kaming ticket. Gusto niya makita si Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa, I can sweep you off my feet. What up, 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 up.
Every first Monday of the month lang ba yun?
No, every first Saturday.
Every first Saturday lang pala yung libre. Pero for now, dito lang muna kami sa labas.
So we're going home now. So that's the end of our
City tour.
city tour here in Paris. This is the Eiffel Tower at my back. Yun siya. And it's very touristy here. So now we're going home and have dinner. Not here.
Bukas, saan tayo bukas?
Bukas, we're gonna go to Versailles. Versailles? Versailles.
Close
Basta
it.
doon, basta doon. Okay, au revoir. Good day, family and friends. It's a very sunny weather here in Versailles. Versailles. So,
How many degrees ngayon? 30.
31.
31.
So it's scorching. So it's very, very hot. Right, Kuy?
Abusangot din si Babe, oh. Babe?
I wanted to have Madrid boulders.
Ay, wala naman tayo sa Madrid.
Sama namin Tita Eden. Tita. Pasok tayo sa mansion mo, Tita Eden, ah.
Yes, you're welcome. You're all welcome to my mansion, my chateau.
So, ngayon, nandito lang kami sa labas kasi close siya kasi it's Monday. So it's closed. So we can just look from afar from the gate.
So
The
every
Golden
Monday,
Gate.
sarado siya?
Sarado siya every Monday. Kasi ano to it's not in the itinerary. So biglaan. So hindi kami prepared. Pero dito lang kami sa labas. Eh kasi yung labas naman maganda na siya. Very gold. Oh. Pwede mo to isang lang.
Papasok ako sa social na toilet. Let's see kung gaano ko social. Parang hotel, ano? See you later.
Yan, so ngayon we're gonna go inside the garden. Kasi yun, breathtaking yung view doon. Yun.
Hindi ka makahinga.
Hindi ka makakahinga tapos hanggang mamatay ka na doon. So yun, yun na lang. Kasi kahit yun nga lang, very, na siya very picturesque. Picturesque. So yun ang na lang namin.
Doon na lang tayo sa silip.
Yeah. So that ends our
Paris summer
Paris
tour.
summer trip. From Disneyland to Paris to Versailles. Versailles. And now going back to Amsterdam. Okay, bye!
See you.
Yun daw.
Sorry.